Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about an ancient irrigation system. Dates back to the Roman Empire, the Greek, Egyptians, times during the times of the Bible and times before the Bible. And I'm talking about the Olla. Now this is specifically made for dry weather or dry environments. It's not very dry here right now, but once the summer gets really going, this becomes very useful. So this is made out of terracotta clay, and these right here were actually made here at my house in my wife's ceramic shop. So if you want to buy one, there's several types of ollas out there. Look at the link in the description, and it'll take you to a page. But we're gonna go ahead and put them on the ground, and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so the way this olla works, you gotta put it in the ground. So you have to leave the top visible or clear so you can put water in it. Now the way it works, you put it in the ground. And by the way, this is cabbage. It's not bolted yet, but it will be if we don't take it out of the ground soon. Once you put this, the water will, this material is very porous, so the water will slowly be released from the container, and the roots of whatever vegetable plant is going to actually look for the water, and the roots are going to surround the olla. So it's a slow process, but depending on the size of the olla, you may have to water your plants once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks, depending on the size. But for dry weather, this is great. So let me show you how to put it in the ground. So I got the spade right here. I'm gonna make a hole just big enough to bury the olla. And I think that's good enough. Now we're going to surround it with the dirt. It's good. Now we're going to put water in it. All right, so now that's full, and now we're just gonna put the cork on top of it, and that's it. Pretty easy. If you have a small garden, these are great. Again, take a look at the link in the description, but these are very useful, especially in the summer. It's pretty hot now, but we're not in the middle of summer yet. So we're gonna have to do this with most of the vegetables we have in the ground. So anyways, just tell me what you think in your comments. If you know anything else about ollas, appreciate the information. So like and subscribe to help out the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.